Hello. The client is asking about how many unique users mentioned Nike during the total time period covered by the datasets. And I found that users at Nike is the second most, and the number of is 6,800. 6,800 users mentioned Nike. 6,800 unique users mentioned Nike during the total time. And my answer is this. And for the first question of the question list, how much engagement is occurring? And my answer could be 83,461 unique engagement. Move to the second question. We can talk to these three questions together. Move to the second, third, and fourth questions. Likes, retweets, and replies. The total number of both three. We can see here. The total number of likes is 651,422 total likes. And the retweets is 178 51 retweets, and the total number of replies is 37,010 replies, and which is these three questions. And move to question 5. What are the top 10 tweets measured by number of likes? So the top 10 tweets which have most people will get most likes is this 10. And the first one is this tweet get 39,718 likes. And the second one is this, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one, eighth one, ninth one, 10th one. And we can see how many likes they get. Yeah. And move to the sixth question. How many who are the top 10 tweets measured by the number of retweets? Top 10 retweets, we can use this column, use tweets, and this column use some retweets, and the filter, we can add a filter to top 10, and we got this answer. And the first one get retweets for 30,356 retweet, and the second get 12,024 retweets, and the third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one, eighth one, ninth one, and we can see the retweets they get. Yes, this is the top 10 gets most retweets. And move to the seventh question. Who are the top 10 users measured by frequency of activity? And we can see here, we move ID and username here, and we have the top 10. The top 10 users engaged. And the first one is this one. He sent tweets. He sent 407 tweets. Yes, and the second one is Pixels. The third one is Solemn Cedar, and fourth one, fifth one, sixth one. We can see how many tweets they send, and this the orange color is the original tweet, and this blue color is the tweet they mention, and we can see this is the top 10, and the 10th is the Iceland line, which sent 168 tweets and 2 mentioned tweets. And move to the 8th question. Are there any flowers spikes activity across time in the data sets? Yes, my answer is yes. We can see it's quite smoothly, and here we got a flower here and down again. And the question is, when does it occur? It occurred at 2 p.m. May 11th, 2019. And the question 9 is saying, what are the top 10 most commonly occurring hashtags aside from Nike? And we can see here, Nike is here, so I add filter to top 11. Top 11, I get this, so we can just remove Nike. So we have 11 here, we just remove Nike, and the other is the top 10 aside from Nike. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These 10 are the these 10 are the top 10 most commonly occurring hashtag aside from Nike. And the last question is that are there any other interesting and relevant insights that you would like to draw to the climate attention? Yes, I think I have one. At the last, we can see here, we just said it before, we have a flower here, and this may caused by the release of Nike's new brand of shoes, because as we can see before, so many of these Twitter data are interesting in Nike. We can see it's the second most users mention is Nike. So when Nike presents something new, people will be interested and get active at the time. So these flowers could be caused by the release of Nike's new brand of shoes. Something similar is if the Twitter usage are like interesting with the Apple product. When Apple company have something new iPhone or new MacBooks, people will be active just like the Nike's release new brand of shoes. The Apple fans will be active at that time as well. So this is the interesting insight I found in this Twitter data. So here is all my answer for this 10 question. Thank you for watching. See you.